Beautiful people, let's get started on module number 4. There is module number 4, question 1, and its conducting answer is 100. So the other module is 2, question number 2, conducting answer is 1, and third one is that although the predicted variable of the polynomial linear rejections are not linear, the relationship between the parameters efficient linear. So the fourth option is there, the largest the mean square error is false. So the fifth option is there, fifth question is there. So the assume all the libraries are important. So is the target and x is the feature or the development variables, consider the following consequentials. So let's get started on that. Because of that, these are my thumbnails, so that's why I will show each and every video of mine, and that's good for myself. So there's no question regarding the module number 4. So we are going to meet in next video. It's module number 5.